Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Tech Videos. In this video we are sharing with you how to download Android apps on PC, so keep watching till the end, and stay with us. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel, and thumbs up like button. First you go to Play Store, play.google.com. Find apps, who is app if you want to download. I want to download Luxlite, so I am searching here Luxlite. Copy the app name. Now open new window, go to appygaper.com. Then paste in here copy name. Click on the download button. Choose a location. Save. In here you can see it's downloading. I hope you enjoy this simple video. Share this video with your friends want to know how to download Android apps on PC. If you have any question, let us know in the comment section. If you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel for more tutorials, videos, and thumbs up like button.